I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have an Angular project. Now get the API key and lock it down. Enable the Maps JavaScript API and Geocoding API in Google Cloud, then create a restricted API key tied to your domain. Once done, install any missing typings. Run npm install save dev at type/Google. Maps. Make sure to store the key in an environment file, not inline. That prevents accidental exposure and makes builds reproducible. You'll load the Maps script and bootstrap the map in a component. Add the script tag to index. HTML with key and libraries equals places, or use a dynamic loader service to avoid blocking. Create a map component, use it viewChild to get the container, then instantiate new Google. Maps. Map in ng after viewInit. Use ngZone. Run when handling callbacks to ensure Angular change detection updates the UI. This pattern keeps rendering predictable and avoids memory leaks. You'll add markers and connect services to create a usable map. Create markers with Google. Maps. Marker, attach info window content, and remove listeners in ng on destroy. For address lookup, call geocoder. Geocode or places service with typed results. Implement exponential backoff for quota errors. When ready to deploy, build with environment. Prod and confirm your API key referrers match the deployed domain. If the map stays blank, check the console for API key errors and ensure billing is enabled. Most blank map issues are key or billing related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.